Hi, it's Barry here from HOTS, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about the HotShots Mini Max projector, which I've got there. You can see just how small that projector is, projecting truly portable professional presentations at only 210 grams in weight. I just want to tell you a little bit about some of the features of the projector today, and one of the first things you'll see is the lens cap there, which pops on and off, got a little lanyard to keep it safe, so it's projecting the lens for you. The focus button, it's manual focus, which you operate with your fingers and just slides back and forward there. On the top of the projector here, you've got a power button, you've got basically backward and forward buttons and a stop-start button in the middle there. The button on the top there is your menu button, and this one is your volume control. Okay, so that's what you see on top. You'll see a couple little grills there as well, and on the sides, and that's so because it has speakers built in to the projector. There's also 4 gigabytes of flash memory in there, and you can access that through the USB port here straight into your laptop, so you can load things on there for playback later on. You'll also see on that side there's a on-off power button, and also up and down slider controls for the volume. On the rear of the projector you'll see a VGA port for connecting to your laptop or PC. You'll see a power input there for the power supply, an infrared port for the remote control, and as we swing around this side you'll see that you have 2 ports there, your audio visual, and that's for plugging in your RCA units here, so for your video and so on, which also you get a gender bender there, so you can just make sure you've got all sides covered, and a headphone socket there or a stereo speaker socket, so you can plug your speakers into that. And the other thing you should be able to see there is that there's a micro SD card, so there's a slot for that as well, and that basically gives you the ability to crank your HotShots Mini Max projector up to, well, micro SD cards now come up to 32 gigabytes, so you can store a lot of movies and a lot of information on that little card. So that's a few of the features of the HotShots Mini Max projector, not to mention the tripod that screws in underneath there, opens up and creates the HotShots Mini projector. More information you can find at www.miniprojector.com.au, and that's where you'll find us.